Loving you, na scam.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, you are welcome to the family. If you have been watching but you are still contemplating whether you should subscribe or not, what are you waiting for, guys? Please click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. I want to quickly come out here and talk about Nigerian on-air personality who called Burna Boy a twat. When I saw this, I wasn't happy. But when I realized why she called him that, I'm thinking she should have just addressed this situation in respectful way rather than just calling someone out of their name. I'm not really this person that like people to call me out of my name. I don't do that to people. Respect is reciprocal. You need to respect people. Irrespective of what this person do, you need to address them respectfully. Well, this lady put on her Instagram story that Burna Boy is a twat, and Instablog Naija posted that on their page, and before you know it, Burna Boy fans swarm in. They call this lady out of her name. Most worst name in the world, they call this lady. Instablog just posted and said that an OAP Shade Ladipo called Burna Boy a twat. And I'm thinking, why would she do that? Because that is how someone that has the mind of their own and know how to think for themselves. That is the way you think. You think for yourself. Why would someone go ahead and call Burna Boy a twat? Because I went in the comment section to try to understand why this lady did that, but none of them were sensible enough to really say something nice. They were just abusing her, calling her all manners of name, and you can see there is a lot of comments like that because this post has over 3,000 comments, and I'm telling you, maybe 2,900 and something or 3,000 comments is actually an abuse on this lady for calling Burna Boy that. So when I did not still get what is going on, because a lot of them weren't actually sensible enough, some of them were sensible and asked her, what did Burna Boy do? Why are you calling him that? So I went on her page, since the blog actually put her name there, and I think I've heard her name before. So I went on her page and I saw that she actually posted it. She said Burna Boy is a twat. That's the first one. She also posted and said the most unprofessional artist in the world is Burna Boy. Talent is never enough. Your reign will end and we will be here. Twat is equal to Burna Boy. Hashtag the UX Party 2019. And I think people started asking her on Instablog Naija that you should explain to us. You can't just come out and call Burna Boy a twat without no explanation, which I think is true. You can't just call someone out of their name with no reason for doing that. And this lady wrote on her page again and said that, how do you agree to headline an event, get paid, organizers sell tickets based on your name, then you cancel on the day of the event? If Burna Boy doesn't care about his integrity, that's okay, but event organizers care about theirs. You will never last in any industry if you don't have common decency. This is a reoccurring behavior with Burna Boy and his team. As I said, once his reign is over, we will still be here. Twat is equal to Burna Boy. Am I in support of her calling Burna Boy that? No, it's wrong. You can't just call someone out of their name, no matter what he did. Twat is like a slang, but it simply means that when someone call you a twat, they are insulting you and they are showing that they do not like or respect you. That is what this lady is simply saying. But I don't think she hates Burna Boy or anything. She just wasn't feeling how it disappointed the show because the ticket was sold based on his name, and some people were sending message to this lady about Burna Boy, and there are so many messages. This one said he did the same last year at Style by Zenith. He shows up hours on hours late to the show, and because one of the organizers parodied for him, he entered the car and left. I was disappointed and heartbroken for his fans. He was actually in the car driving out as people were leaving. Some were even trying to hail and beg him to give them a show. My guy locked up. He needs to do better. Another person said 2 events in Dubai, he just didn't show up. Africans won vest and sold DXB. I don't know if he and his team deliberately get paid not to turn up, and they still use his name and image on the flyer, but fans end up hot. Now nobody will go to anything with Burna Boy because he has failed to show up twice already. And another person said, just last week, he did not come to Craze Club in Dubai after we paid 8K for one table. They said he missed his flight. The organizer of that UX party actually released a statement. And this statement says, we would like to apologize to our guests as well as fans of Burna Boy who attended the UX party this year, expecting the artist to perform as scheduled despite our good faith, safeguards and best effort. We were notified that Burna Boy would not show hours into the event. We are encouraged and lifted by the attitude of our guests who shook off their disappointment and partied like it was 2099. We appreciate your show of support and promise that the 2020 edition of the UX party will feature artists who are known to honor contracts unfailingly. Finally, we'd like to thank the management team representing Tenny the Entertainer, with whom we collaborated to ensure that guests had a truly wonderful time. We trust Burna Boy and his management to address these disappointed fans the issue at the appropriate time. And that's what the organizer has to say about this. And I just want to say to all you, the defender of universe, the social media defender, celebrity defender, you don't want to know what they did. All you care about is just to defend them, whether they did wrong or they did right. I love Burna Boy music. I like him because I've watched so many of his interview. I like that he doesn't fake no accent. I like that his composure, you can tell that he's real. I really love his music, especially yeah, 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 oh, yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, 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 yeah. This one I better with the jackpata. When I cover my face, calling me Lagbaja. Biggie man wear no they wear hagbata. If he continue like this, disappointing people, especially is people that actually build him up, which is Africans, Nigerians. If he continue to disappoint them, it's going to affect him, and it's not a good look for him for this thing to continue repeating itself. Integrity matters a lot, and I realize that a lot of people doesn't really care about integrity lately. Integrity is like in the Burna oven. They don't really care, they don't want to know. And I really like Burna Boy. I don't want this to be associated with his name. It's understandable if an unforeseen situation happened and he couldn't make it to his show, but not when it has happened repeatedly, because people are saying that it's done this, it's done that. I don't really want this to be a thing with Burna Boy, because I really like Burna Boy, and this is not a good look if he continue on this streak, because doing it once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, people will call him out of his name now and then again. If you, the defender of the universe, continue to fight rather than just call BS, it's going to change if you call him out on what he did. But at the same time, I don't support this lady just calling him out of his name. It's not right. Just address the issue without being disrespectful. Anyway, I'm done with this, guys. What do you think about this lady calling Burna Boy out of his name, calling him a twat? And what do you think about Burna Boy missing shows here and there, disappointing his fans? Because this is a disappointment to all his fans. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below, guys. And on your way out, don't forget to give this video a like, share it. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.